first time that I heard about NGO was at an info section in my school. The Jeff from Oakland Ops, he went to my school and then he talked about NGO's project, what we do here. And then most of the project caught my eyes, especially because of the impact in people's lives. So I could see myself in the long term doing something like that.
The internship so far, I've been exposed to a ton of different things. For example, like my soil mechanics class, a lot of times we'll talk about like the theory behind things, but in the field we actually get to apply some of those things and see them firsthand, like soil nails, pile driving, blow counts from like mod cows or SPTs. So we're just kind of taking the theory behind the stuff and seeing it actually done in the field. Going to different job sites, getting to see all the projects and seeing how everything works, and just really being out there in the field has really broadened my experience.
It feels like a family. Like I feel like I can go in the lab, I can get my work done. It doesn't feel like work, the time flies. I think the hands-on in the lab really like solidified my learning. I could be like, oh hey, that's what that means, or that's how I use this. So just being in the lab, seeing what I learned in school and then applying it in the lab just like really helps solidifies my learning. They made me feel comfortable, like, hey, don't worry, you don't have to get this done right now. Like we have a whole week, and they just really made me feel like, okay, I am helping, like I am part of a team. So I guess it's just something I have to work on, like, hey, you don't have to finish everything right now. It's not on you, there's a team kind of thing.
My day usually is filled with a lot of tasks. Some of them are kind of project management, where I need to digitize some logs from other projects, where we get logs that they take from AugerCast piles or different field observations, and I digitize them. But on occasion, I'm also able to learn different softwares and skills. I think the team dynamic here at NGO is, like I keep saying, extremely unique. I feel like even though I am an intern, I'm treated as an equal. Whenever it comes to team discussions, I'm always included. If I have something to say, they always hear with an open mind.
I never feel bad about having to ask a question. Like everyone is very supportive, and if anything, I would say asking questions and being inquisitive is very encouraged. I would say the mentorship at NGO is probably one of the strongest points. It's a very fast-paced environment, but the support is really there. We had an intern workshop where all the interns from all the different offices in California came, and it was really fun just to meet everyone. There are lots of team building activities. In particular, there was this like marshmallow projectile launch competition where we had to design like a catapult for our marshmallow, and then there was how precise we could launch our marshmallow, like hitting a target, and the other was to see how far our marshmallow would project. So yeah, it was really fun. I made a lot of friends.
If you wanna be able to see a variety of projects of all the kinds, here's the place for you to apply.